Hi, this is Jason West, and in this video I want to help you out and tell you a little bit about how Zapier and Kartra work together. I'm going to put a link underneath this video that will give you an invite to join the Kartra beta Zapier program so that you can actually do this, because you won't find Kartra yet in the list of standard apps that Zapier supports. So that's the first thing I'll say. And here's how I use it at the moment. This is a few examples here. So when a customer buys a particular product in Kartra, I will then send an email out to a couple of different people. So here's how it's done. You'll obviously need to link up your Kartra account. As I say, you won't find it there as standard. You need to join the invitation. And then you choose the product that the person buys, and then we'll go through and then send an email or do whatever you want. Add to a spreadsheet, for example. The course, the product that was actually purchased, add it to a spreadsheet. There's millions of different things you can do with this. Very, very cool. But these are the main things that you can trigger with Kartra. So there's quite a few of them, so hold on to your pants here. We got lead subscribes to the list. Lead is assigned a particular tag. Lead fills an opt-in form. Customer buys a product, and then the less common ones, look at this. Customer refunds a product. Lead is removed from a sequence, registers for a calendar, cancels a calendar, because Kartra has its own inbuilt calendar system. You could then tell, for example, someone else, a sales rep or something, that a person has cancelled. Then you've got when they buy a product, which is what I'm using it for, completes a particular sequence. Very good for sales team to get on the phone to someone once they've gone through a lead nurturing sequence or a sales sequence. Then lead is granted access to a membership. Then unsubscribe from a list, unassigned a tag, clicks on a tracking link. Lead completes a Kartra video. This is very good too. What if you did a really good webinar styled video or a video sales letter or something like that, and then you knew once that person had watched and completed the video, how good to be able to get a notification out to someone to give that person a call and then close them. Then customer cancels a subscription. Very good to let your billing people know. Lead reaches a score for the first time. So Kartra has obviously lead scoring in there. So when someone opens an email, you can give them points. When they click on a link, you can give them points. And when they get to a certain score, say like 100, then you can do something else with them, like mail them something. The limits are, well, it is virtually unlimited, let's be honest, because with the actions here, you can link up to multitudes of other apps. And then affiliate signs up, JV signs up, lead is revoked access to a membership. Maybe they had trouble logging in and they blocked themselves out. Very good for you to know that. Or they just stopped paying for a monthly membership and we need to get on the phone and find out what the reason is or get new card details. Then lead visits a particular page. That can be on your Kartra pages, or it can actually be on any page on your own website if you're using WordPress, for example, because you can take some code from Kartra, put it into your WordPress site, and it will monitor each page and tell Kartra when a person has visited that particular page. Then we have lead plays a Kartra video, maybe not completes it, but they play it. Lead is added to a sequence, and lead completes a calendar. So some fascinating different triggers there that can be instigated from Kartra. And speaking of Kartra, by the way, if you want to save yourself hours of time, I have a whole load of ready-made funnels here at jasonwest.com funnel shop /funnel shop. There's like a webinar course selling funnel that I've used to sell like $600,000-$700,000 worth of courses now. Strategy call funnel, product launch funnel, ebook download funnel, full websites created in Kartra for you, course membership funnels, real estate funnels, everything you can think of here that will help you to grow your business and take away all that tech overwhelm and just import everything you need, like pages, products, automations, everything straight into your account so that you can start using the funnel. So that's enough about that for a second. So this is how you use Zapier with Kartra in terms of Kartra being the trigger. Now let's talk about how you can also do it the other way around. Now let's take, for example, here this. The trigger is this time Calendly, and when somebody actually goes and books a call, then we're going to assign a tag to a lead in Kartra. So again, we would just type in Kartra here and then assign a tag to a lead of our choice. And then we can edit the template and choose which tag it is. This will just talk to Kartra, bring up all of your tags, and then you allocate a tag to that person. Now, one thing I want to say at this point here is we've got a multitude of options with Kartra in terms of actions too. So we can create a new lead once that Calendly person has booked. Subscribe lead to list, assign a tag, retrieve lead details, search lead. We can do all sorts of stuff. Then we've got some less common options like subscribing a lead to a sequence, retrieving all the pages in your account. I have no idea why you would need that. But subscribe lead to a calendar, refund a transaction, that's quite handy. Unsubscribe lead from a list, retrieve all the lists in your account, retrieve all the tags in your account, unsubscribe a lead from sequence, cancel lead subscription to calendar, edit lead, cancel a subscription, retrieve all the sequences in your account, unassign a tag from a lead, and then remove points from a lead, and then add points from a lead. So those are all the options. There's tons of them. There's so many things that you can do with this. So having this Zapier integration with Kartra gives you a huge amount of flexibility in terms of what you do and with what software. We all know that obviously, Zapier has absolutely hundreds and hundreds of different apps already, and then other options with webhooks and things like that too, text messages. There's so many different things you can do. So great amount of flexibility. I'm going to try and find the link for the Kartra Zapier invite to join the beta, and then that'll be underneath this video. And I really hope that's helped you. And once again, if you do need any funnels for your Kartra account, you can literally just go to my website, buy the funnel. I'll show you an example here. This is the webinar course selling funnel. There's a video that explains everything about the funnel there, so you can see everything that's gone into building it. The pricing option's just there, and then it will tell you everything that's included with the funnel. So good thing is with Kartra, we can put everything in. We can put products, lists, tags, pages, automations, forms, help desk videos, everything. When you buy the funnel, you get all of that go into your account, not just literally a page, a landing page or a thank you page. We can put everything in. So really, really useful. I think the funnels will save you a lot of time. If you want to find out what other people think about them, just hit my testimonials page just there, and you'll see tons of comments about people who've got over their technical overwhelm and been able to grow their business using my funnels. So I hope you enjoyed that video to do with Zapier and Kartra, and that you found it useful, and now you understand what can be done with the power of these two amazing bits of software. All right, that's it for now. I'll see you again in another video real soon.